Since the fall of Geese Howard, the city of Southtown has never been the same. Its people have grown complacent, and once fearsome warriors roam the streets like stray dogs. And though his legacy remains here in my keeping, it does so with no heir apparent. If there are any left in Southtown with fangs that bite, with claws that tear, with the ruthlessness and undying spirit of a true warrior, come to King of Fighters. Who will inherit the legacy of the fallen Emperor? Let the last wolves of this city determine that for themselves. Stroheim. Jenny Byrne was a free spirit, sailing the seas as captain of the Lillian Knights. Yet independent though she may have been, she was unable to free herself from her own memories. A year ago, despite many grueling bouts at the King of Fighters tournament, both her treasure and Kine R. Heinlein slipped between her fingers. The outcome of the tournament weighed heavy on her mind, now and always. After all, a true pirate captain never leaves a prize unplundered. So when Jenny learned of the King of Fighters tournament on the horizon, she smiled, the wind at her back once more. At last, a golden opportunity to teach that terrible man a lesson. That one should never stand between a pirate and her treasure. The Lillian Knights were on the move yet again. Land ho!
Fasten your seatbelts. You're about to experience the ultimate Shokugen Karate!
Round 1. Get ready. Fight!
Just dance.
Jenny wins.
Beautiful victory!
Round 2. Get ready. Fight!
You know, I do love a man's man. But I'm sorry to say you've got a lot to learn about women.
It's too late to back out now, I'm sorry to say. Get ready for a world of hurt.
Round 1. Get ready. Fight!
Bullseye!
gentleman scowls at a lady. Well, I'm not having it. I'm out of here. Welcome to my lab. I'll be recording all of this. So give me everything you've got.
Round 1. Get ready. Fight.
Oops.
Round 2. Get ready. Fight. Wide punch. Final round. Get ready. Fight.
Nice move. Oops.
Wait.
You still have a lot to learn, sweetheart. Sweet dreams. I'm here to fight. No more hesitation. Let's go. Hope you're ready for this.
Round 1. Get ready. Fight. Round 2. Get ready. Fight. SPG.
I can't lose.
Overheat. Wide punch.
Uh-oh. look up to me the way you do. Please don't get discouraged. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither was I.
Over here! Okay, it's time to clean up the streets.
Round 1. Get ready. Fight. Jenny, wait.
Beautiful victory!
Round 2. Get ready. Fight.
Still good!
Wait.
I love the way you're always reaching for the stars. It's just darling. Hardworking boys are a gift to the world. So, hey, are you and that kind fella close? I've been itching for an opportunity to give him a piece of my mind.
Is that so? This might sound crazy to you, but I have to ask. Would you be willing to forfeit the championship for a chance to meet with him?
You should know better than that. Course not. I want that championship gold, obviously. And that Geese's legacy thing too, thank you very much.
Seems like you certainly have an axe to grind. Very well. You may still get your wish. If you can beat him, that is.
Him? As in, not you.
He's my proxy. And let me tell you, he's as much of a martyr to combat as I am.
I always figured you were all talk and no action. No matter. I'd be more than happy to mop the floor with him.
Hey Grant, do I really have to debase myself fighting this kid?
Kid? I'm gonna make you eat those words. Heck, you seem even younger than I am.
Okay, fine. If we have to do this, let's do it quick.
Get ready. I'm gonna beat that hide of yours black and blue.
Round 1. Get ready. Fight. Cool down.
Oops.
Quiet punch. Jenny, win.
Beautiful victory!
Round 2. Get ready. Fight.
Fall!
Just getting warm. Burn to ash.
Quiet punch.
Not on your life! Fall!
Oops, oops. Uh-oh. Oops. Yeah. Try this on.
PG. Wait.
Goodness, why the long face? I just want to rip off the mask you wear over your heart. Good effort. But with skills like these, victory was easy as 1, 2, 3.
Damn. Even after Grant trusted me, Grant!
Gain, I'm sorry, but Marie...
Don't speak. You can leave that to me. Rest easy now, my friend.
All right. You know, I'm a little sad. I wish I could have seen her again.
Hey, what had him so worked up that he was ready to go that far?
I'm afraid it's none of your business.
Jeez, there's no need to be so icy. Maybe I can help you out.
What you have there is Geese's legacy. And let me assure you, it is far more valuable than some common treasure. Well, to us, at any rate. Unfortunately, having not qualified for the finals myself, I'm in no position to take it from you by force. To do so would be a grave betrayal of Grant's memory, and of Box's struggles.
Wow, you were really that desperate for a quick buck? Alrighty then. If you want to throw down that bad, let's get to it. And to sweeten the deal, let's put this treasure on the line.
You'd allow me that chance? Are you sure?
Sure, I'm sure. But if I win, promise you'll give me the lowdown on what you were talking about before.
You'd wager your treasure just to learn more from a stranger? You are one strange pirate. Still, I appreciate the opportunity. I'll gladly take advantage.
Round 1. Get ready. Fight.
Forza Flamme!
Uh-oh! Uh-oh! Oops! Oops! Bye-bye! Have another! Try this on!
PG!
Oops! Oops! Oops!
Jenny, win!
Beautiful victory!
Round 2. Get ready. Fight.
Oops! Try this, I'll have another! Oops! Oops! Oops!
No class.
Oops! Try this, I'll have another!
You think it's over?
Overheat.
Take this! Take this! Take this!
Forza Flamme! Forza Flamme!
PG. Cool down. Jenny wins.
You knucklehead! What good does you dying do anyone? What matters is the stuff you do while you're still around to talk about it. Alright, it's bean spilling time! First of all, why do you want this treasure so badly anyway?
To save my sister.
Context?
I have an older sister. Some time ago, she was in a secret relationship with Geese Howard.
The Geese Howard?
That's right, though very few people ever heard anything about it. Anyway, she's gotten herself tangled up in some particularly nasty business, and now a certain individual has her under lock and key.
Oh, so that's why you want this treasure?
Right. That is my sister's ransom. The price to be paid for her freedom. Geese's legacy.
So that's the deal here.
Yes, it's what Grant and Vox fought for. And now, there's nothing to even show for it.
Okay. I've had my fair share of bones to pick with you, but honestly, I'm over it now. Here you go. Treasure's all yours. Go on, take it.
What? Say it ain't so, Captain!
It's fine. The Lillian Knights are nothing if not givers. Using treasure to help the helpless, you know? Sounds to me like you're exactly the kind of guy we're keeping an eye out for.
Ah, here we go again!
Why are you doing this? You beat me fairly. Why?
One sec. Okay, thanks for the update. Anyway, about that Grant guy. It sounds like he won't be shuffling off this mortal coil anytime soon.
What?
Our ship's physician, the good Dr. Ishida, is the best at what he does. I had him take a look at your buddy earlier, just before the fight. Pretty close call, but looks like he pulled through. See for yourself. So yeah, this is for him too.
Goodness. You're something else. It would seem I've incurred a considerable debt here, haven't I?
And you'd better believe I'll collect it with interest. And I'm talking double the return.
Captain, we're violating territorial waters here! Come on, hurry up!
Time to drift. I'll hold on to your fella for now. We'll bring him right back as soon as he's feeling like his old self again.
Are you sure it's a good idea to just let them waltz off with Grant? I'm not entirely convinced we can trust them. Are you?
I am. With my life, in fact. And with Grant's. Wow. The Lillian Knights. Noble thieves. Stealing is clearly their specialty.
Huh?
Forget it. Come. Let's not let B. Jenny's selfless present go to waste. I have a feeling things are about to get very busy for us very quickly.